Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back.
Today, we are going to learn something very important.
Yes, very useful for daily life.
We will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
Introduce yourself in English. Yes, simple and important.
If you meet a new person, you need this skill.
At school, at work, or even in travel.
So stay with us and practice together.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps.
Yes, thank you so much. Now, let's start slowly.
First, let's learn the basic sentence.
The most simple way is, my name is.
Repeat slowly. My name is.
My name is. Very easy.
For example, my name is Alice.
Or, my name is David.
Good. Now say it again slowly.
My name is David. I like it.
Nice. You're doing great.
Alice, what comes next after name?
Good question. Next is where you are from.
Ah, yes. I am from
Exactly. I am from.
UK. I am from India. I am from USA.
Very good. Let's repeat slowly.
I am from UK.
I am from UK.
Nice, clear and simple.
Now we add age.
Age is also important in introduction.
We say, I am 20 years old.
I am 20 years old. Very smooth sentence.
Yes. Repeat slowly.
I am 20 years old.
Good job. I feel like a native speaker already.
Not yet, but you are improving.
David, can we add job or study?
Yes, very good idea.
How do we say it?
We say, I am a student,
Or I am a teacher.
or I work as a driver.
Simple and clear English.
Let's repeat slowly. I am a student.
I am a student.
Nice.
Now let's put everything together.
Oh yes, full introduction.
I will go first. Listen carefully.
Everyone listen slowly.
Hello, my name is Alice. I am from UK. I am 20 years old. I am a teacher.
Wow, very clear and natural.
Thank you. Now David will try.
Okay, I will try my best.
Go ahead.
Hello, my name is David. I am from India. I am 22 years old. I am a student.
Perfect. Very good speaking.
Really?
Yes, simple and clear. That is the goal.
Alice, what if I feel nervous when meeting someone?
Good question. Many learners feel that.
Yes, I feel shy sometimes.
Just remember simple words.
Like what?
Hello, my name is enough to start.
Just that?
Yes, just that. Simple is powerful.
I like that. Simple is powerful.
Repeat slowly. Simple is powerful.
Simple is powerful.
Good.
Let's practice like real life.
Good idea.
Alice, I will meet you for the first time.
Okay, let's do it.
Hello, my name is Alice. What is your name?
Hello, David. My name is Alice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very natural conversation.
I feel like I'm in real life.
That's the goal.
Now let's repeat key phrases slowly.
Yes, very important.
My name is,
My name is,
I am from,
I am from,
I am years old,
I am years old,
I am a student.
I am a student.
Perfect.
David, can we say one more full introduction?
Of course.
Let's do it slowly.
Ready?
Yes.
Hello, my name is David. I am from UK. I am a teacher.
Hello, my name is Alice. I am from India. I am a student.
Excellent. Very clear English.
I feel confident now.
That's great to hear.
Before we finish, let's ask a question.
Good idea.
Friends, what is your name?
Yes, and where are you from?
Tell us in the comments.
We really want to know.
Don't be shy. Write your introduction in English.
Exactly. Practice is the key.
And remember, simple English is good English.
Yes, simple English is good English.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye, friends.